Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube cooking channel Spicy Food 6972. Today we made our best and easy to make soft 1 egg muffin and cake. You can see we made this with only 1 egg, 12 muffins, and it's without a mixer or an oven, so everyone can absolutely make this at home. The cake uses 2 eggs and it's absolutely soft. It's really tender and the bread tastes amazing. So I hope you guys all try this and continue watching. To make muffins, you'll need 1 egg, 80 grams of sugar, 250 grams of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 100 grams of butter, 200 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 100 grams of any kind of your favorite chocolate. We'll start by breaking an egg on our mixing bowl. Putting in our sugar and salt. You'll need 1 pinch of salt for the whole 1/3 cup of sugar. That is our milk.
I'm putting a little bit in here for melting the chocolate.
There is our butter. And our flour. We are putting in our flour little by little and mixing it so that it doesn't clump up and it mixes well thoroughly. And that will be all our flour. There is our vanilla. We have finished heating our milk so that we can melt our chocolate. Put our baking powder and our baking soda in to our batter.
So it's like this.
Now that we're done mixing all of those ingredients, we're going to take our batter and put them in a separate bowl to separate
In our chocolate.
in our chocolate. Now we're going to make our muffins. Now that we have put chocolate on our white batter, we're going to cover it back up by putting some white batter back on to the top of that. Now that we have put on our white muffin batter on top of our chocolate muffin batter, we're going to put in another layer of our chocolate muffin batter on top of our last white muffin batter. Now we're going to put our muffins in our steamer. Okay, so now it has been 20 minutes since the muffins have been baking in our steamer. Now we'll see if it's complete.
It's dry. Yeah.
It's dry, so it's finished. So this is our finished muffin, and you can see this is what it looks like.
It's 12 muffin.
12 of them. And we will break one apart to show you what it looks like inside. It's very soft and fluffy and filled with chocolate bread.
This one.
Yep. To make this best and soft cake recipe, you'll need 2 eggs, half a cup or 120 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, 270 milliliters of milk, baking powder that is 1 teaspoon, baking soda that is half a teaspoon, 1 1/4 cup or 250 grams of flour, 100 grams of butter, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We're going to start by breaking an egg on our mixing bowl. That's our sugar. Our milk is going in. This is our butter. That's flour, 1/4 cup. That's a full cup more of flour. Now we're going to put in our vanilla. Our baking powder and baking soda. That's water going into our cocoa powder right now.
So this is our cocoa powder mixed by water.
Now Now we're going to mix our cocoa powder with the other half of our cake. Now we're going to put our cocoa powder cake into our baking container. We kept a little bit of the cocoa powder batter to design our cake later. Now we have covered our cocoa powder batter with our original batter without the cocoa powder. And it's in 2 layers like this. This is the design we're creating with our remaining cocoa powder batter. And now we're going to put our cake in our steamer. You can see it has got water at the bottom that's steaming hot.
For 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes. It's on medium heat. It has been 40 minutes now, and now we're going to see if our cake is done.
It's done.
It's done. Cake is done now, and now we're going to cut it.
It's very soft.
Let's see what a piece looks like.
It's very soft.
So as you guys can see, this is the final finished muffin and cake dish made from chocolate. And as you can see, it was made with no mixer, no oven, And the muffin is only 1 egg. It's absolutely easy to make. You get 12 muffins for that much ingredient. And if you don't like the muffin, you can always try the cake or vice versa. It's up to you. So if you like a recipe, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to share this with your friends, as I'm pretty sure they'll like it too if you liked it. Thank you for watching.